Hey, welcome back, Factory Fam. This is FFRS Series Episode 8. We're on day 8. And y'all, it's looking really good. Like, I know I say that every video, but honestly, it really does get better and better every video. Zach went back and did a little fiberglass filler work yesterday. I couldn't make it out, and so honestly, I don't think this took you super long anyway, right? Like, just kind of stuff we wanted to save ourselves a little bit of time today. So he bridged all those gaps, and honestly, they look freaking awesome. And like, look at that transition, you guys. Like, that was completely cut apart. Like, that's I mean, that's still rough, and it looks nice and smooth. So I'm telling you guys, I tell you every time, people tell you you can't do something, what do you say?
I'm gonna do it anyway.
That's right, I'm gonna do it anyway, because I feel like I can. Just find yourself a homie that says, let's do it. That's right, and then you do it. But not long before I got here, he threw some more glaze on the top section here, which is looking really nice. We're actually working in the paint booth here, so it's nice and warm. We got heater over there. But that's the plan. I guess we're just gonna keep body working it today, right? And
That's it.
hopefully get ready for primer as much as we can.
I'm hoping by the end of today, we're gonna have this all glazed over, super smooth and ready to go, and get this whole thing in color.
Oh, that's super exciting. So, all right guys, stick with us. Watch the bumper progress. Day 8, here we go. All right, guys. So we're kind of buffing down the bumper a little bit, and Zach spotted a spot that we had glassed in that last transition for the diffuser into the stock bumper, and it basically just started splitting right at the seam. And I think it's just we didn't get enough actual glass overlap on there, and we ended up sanding it down too far. But no worries, we're gonna take care of it for Zach right now. He's just spackling it back up with a little more glass, and we'll let that sit. And we got plenty other things to keep us occupied for the rest of the time today. So yeah, this side seems really solid though. I'll kind of give you guys a comparison. Like, I mean, I'm pushing on that. I mean, the transition is really nice for, obviously, you gotta look where we're at here. We're not into like trying to get the primer right this second. So it's really smooth though, and looks really good. So that's probably where you really start to realize everything, right, Zach, is in the primer. Because you can kind of see where our high and low and everything's gonna be.
Our first few layers of primer is really gonna show every little imperfection that we may have overlooked or missed or needs a little bit extra work. Right now, we're just trying to get that main transition done and over with so we can see kind of a base of where we need to continue on.
Gotcha. So there you guys have it. So we're gonna patch that spot up, and then we're just gonna keep sanding and freaking putting glaze on. It's not glaze, it's icy. I can't ever remember like any of the freaking names Zach tells me for any of this stuff. Okay, man. I'm not a body man again. I never claimed to be, but stay tuned.